Okay, we have our log faced off here. Now it's time to get a little bit of lumber crayon, and we'll draw some guidelines to make our face. Right? First thing we're going to do is start with a brow line. We're about a third of the way down the log. And we're going to put a line going straight across just like that. I'm going to make a makeshift nose. We're going to make him very basic in the beginning, okay? So it's easy for you guys to learn. We'll start by cutting straight across here and then coming in on the side, cutting under with the chainsaw under the nose, and we're going to come in from the sides, okay, like this. We're going to take that out and use the tip of the saw to shape it up, right? I'm going to stay nice and zoomed in. Hopefully you guys will be able to see everything I'm doing. And we'll just go from there. But we'll take it a piece at a time and get in real close for you. I'll try to stay out of the way. It's going to be tough though. So, experiment. Let's see what happens, okay? Here we go. Start off the saw. Thing is straight across, like that. Hold your saw horizontal. A nice deep cut just like that. And down on the side of one line, and down on the side of the other. Saw out. That's all right. Right now you're going from the side. Follow that out right to the nose. So those are the first couple of steps to starting our face. And we'll see if we can zoom in here. Alright. There you go. Now what we're going to do when we do these chainsaw carvings is these are for patrons only, the actual teaching of the carving, but I'll put excerpts on YouTube and try and get some more people to come in and join. It'd be great to have a whole chainsaw community that we can just make project after project. So if you see some clips from some of these, don't worry about it. The actual teaching is going to be only on Patreon only, with a few clips in between for YouTube. Again, patrons are supposed to be supporting the YouTube channel, so I have to put things on YouTube. But the chainsaw carving I'm only going to do on Patreon. Alright, all the other carvings and stuff I put on the YouTube channel that's different, right? But patrons or whether there's lessons or not going on, you guys are helping support the YouTube channel so I can keep it going, because I'm so busy in the summer. I had a real bad winter this year. Everybody was sick. I was sick for a while. I'm glad I'm up and about. Sorry it took me so long to start up again, but it'll be worth it. 1 or 2 videos like this, you guys should be able to do really well and make a lot of money and start experimenting with some bigger carvings. And bigger carvings make bigger money. So, we'll stop it there and we'll go to the next vid. And step 2. We'll try to draw our mustache and carve that out in the next vid. See you then.